Disabling the FC trainer in FC24 is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can disable the FC trainer in FC24. So as we know, FC is FIFA's latest game. How can you turn off the FC trainer? So FC trainer is some sort of arrows that you can see with your player. So what it actually does is it violates your privacy. It lets your opponent know your next move. So how can you turn it off? So after the match gets started, you just have to wait, or you just have to start the match. After the match is started, you have to press your so options key in PS or start key in your Xbox controller. What it will do is it will show you this menu. Now here you will be able to see this option, which is trainer. You have to just go to the trainer and you will be able to see these options. You just have to change this to hide. By default it should be show. If you can see these type of lines, if you hide it, you won't be able to see these type of line. So it gives you a more of a private gameplay or more of an unpredictable gameplay to your enemy. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can turn off the FC trainer in FC24. Hope you guys find this video helpful.